Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
What are the different types of mixtures? As mixtures are of two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now the previous example that I gave you regarding mixtures, that mixtures can be homogeneous when there is an uniform distribution. So it clearly states that when the distribution is uniform, we term it as homogeneous mixture. Whereas when the components are non-uniformly distributed, that means non-uniform composition, then we term it as heterogeneous. So I repeat, there are two types of mixtures, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are those which has uniform composition, whereas heterogeneous mixtures are those which have non-uniform composition. So when it comes to homogeneous mixture, it becomes very difficult for us to distinguish between the components. But when it comes to heterogeneous, the components can be identified easily. So we will carry forward our knowledge on mixture and we will try and understand more about these mixtures. Now, as I told you that mixtures are of two types. So we have mixtures which can be homogeneous. That means, yes, you already know that homogeneous means uniform distribution of composition. Whereas heterogeneous mixture are those where the composition is not uniform. Now taking this concept further, we can classify homogeneous and take up an example of solution as 1. Whereas in case of heterogeneous, we have two types. These are suspension and colloids. So we are going to learn each of these kinds of mixtures, whether they are homogeneous or heterogeneous in details. Now let us continue with our understanding.